And welcome back to another brand new video. So I've just finished filming, literally just finished filming, and put the chair away, the 22 update video, and then it'll be the road trip videos that I mentioned. Although when this goes live, it's likely that I'm actually on the road trip. So if you want to be following where I am and what I'm up to, as I've already said, make sure you follow me on Instagram, link on the screen now and in the description below. And I always do this at the end of videos, so why not do it at the start? This year I'm trying to achieve 1,000 subscribers. Currently on 395, so press that button now and press the bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload. That's that bit out of the way. Let's get into today's video. So that is going to be what we're installing on the car today. Now, it's not a big install. For those that don't know what they are fog lamp covers from That Fog Light Guy. A link in the description to where they are and a picture on screen of his Instagram page. I bought these in the January sales. I'm not sure how much they are usually. They were expensive. A couple of reasons I want to change my fog lamps up. I want it to look a little bit different. My fog lamps do look a little bit tired from the 10 years road wear, grime that's got built up. I've gone for the blue ones, as you saw. The reason I've gone for the blue is because the car's grey, so I was thinking like steel grey, steel blue type. If they don't look any good, I'll just be able to pop them off. They're not a permanent fixture, and we'll go for a different colour. But I do think the blue, contrasting against the grey, is going to look quite good. So yeah, let's make a start. I think we need to get the fog lamps off to get them cleaned up, and I think I need to take them off via the wheel arch. So I'm going to start here. This is the driver's side. You can see they're a bit hazy. I don't think, I'm going to have to put the jack up, because I think I'll be able to get to it here. It'll be on the other side of this trim, so there's a torque screw there and a torque screw there. So I think if I jack this side up here, and then we'll have a look. Now this is scary, I've never jacked this car up. It's the first time I've ever worked on the car. I'm going to be jacking it up. Bear with me. Unrelated, as you can see here, this is a drive shaft. This looks to me like at some point in its life it's had a new one. Now it's got the beveled edges here, which would suggest it might be a genuine. I don't know, but there is the concern. We'll see. Right, so I'm going to remove this. I've got a TX30 here. There's one here. There's one just off camera on the other side, and possibly, yeah, there could be some underneath. And then that'll expose from behind here will be our fog lamp. So let's go. There's one just here. MK2 of the screen. Looks like it could be one that, yeah, there's one just above it as well. Free, you see it? It was just covered in mud. Right, so bit of an update. Pain in the arse is an understatement. Let me show you why. I've gone through this way, but as you can see behind there's this. Well, I don't even know what it is if I'm honest, but this is the view from the top. So what I've done is I've removed the headlight, and this is the view from the top here. So this is getting in the way. I think it might be something to do with the air conditioning, but I could be wrong. And our fog lamp, if you can see it, is here. So there's two T20 bit screws. There's one in the top corner on this side and one in the bottom corner on that side. As you can see, I've got them out, and the fog lamp's now loose, but I can't get the fog lamp out of its holster because this contraption, I think it's the air conditioning, is in the way. So I think what I'm gonna do, now that I've managed to loosen them screws, I've got some movement here in the fog lamp, and I think what I'll be able to achieve is by sliding that into the hole, pushing it against the fog lamp. I need to clean this front up a bit first, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to clean this bit up. Dead simple. I'm going to peel one side off, stick it to the fog lamp, then once it's in place, peel the other side off, slide my surround in and stick it and press it on and hold it on. See, that's good. I like that. It's not too overpowering. So that's that on. We're then going to put the two screws back in and put the headlight back in. This is the passenger side one. Already give it a clean. Stick the dot on, then stick the lens over the top. Job done, time to go back in the car. Right then, so bit of a strange on this, bit of a cut in the video. The reason for that is that I installed them, and as you saw there, the camera then died. So I didn't actually end it, I didn't end the video, so I'm going to stick my trainers on now. I'll take you outside, I'll show you the car. They've been on actually for about 10 days now. The car's a little bit dirty, but I'll show them you and I'll tell you my overall thoughts, and then we'll end the video. Right, so we're just outside, we're on the front. This is the car just there. So there they are. Here are my fog lights lines. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side. I absolutely love them. I love the look of them. So they are my fog light surround. I absolutely love them. I absolutely love the look of them. I'm really happy with how they look, and I'm happy with how they fit with the car, and how they blend in with the blue, like I said. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Only a short one, just doing this quick install. Remember, road to 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button now. Comment down below what you think. And make sure you like this video. I'll see you on the next one.